Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to properly dice bacon so it's really easy, not greasy, no mess. Alright, so you want to freeze the bacon. It's frozen solid. Then take a bread knife, or you could use a big chef's knife, whichever is easier, and it's real simple. Slice right down, you kind of with a sawing motion with the bread knife, or if you have a chef's knife, you put it on here and just push down all the way to the bottom. Then you'll see that the bacon strips are cut the long way here vertically, and we just cut it against the grain. So that means that to get nice little cubes, we can dice this up in thirds right here, and now we've got these perfect little cubes of bacon, and this will be great in any stir fries or soups, etc. So that is the best way to cut bacon and dice it up in little cubes for your cooking.